guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome as your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And right now I'm just getting ready for my cousin's birthday party. Her birthday was a couple of days ago, but we're just now celebrating it tonight because she had work and stuff. So don't worry, we're not having a big old family gathering. It's just our family that currently lives together. But it should be a good time. We're gonna have some really good food and wine and drinks, and just kind of enjoy and just celebrate her birthday. So for today's look, I'm going to keep it pretty neutral. I'm thinking like a summertime glow makeup look is kind of like the look I'm going for. I want it to kind of be bronzy and just really subtle and just you know what I mean? Does that make sense? I don't know. But let's go ahead and jump into the makeup. But before we do, make sure to click that subscribe button for more future content from me, and give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. First things first, we're going to prime the face with some Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Some things never change. And then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips using the Jack Black Lip Balm. Then we're going to prime our lids. I'm using some Morphe concealer. This is in the shade C3.25. And then I'm just going to buff that out using the Morphe M173. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette. This is full of really pretty neutral shades, so I figured that would be perfect for today's look. I'm going to go into with this brown shade here, using a Morphe M504, and I'm just going to kind of blend that into my crease and slightly above. Next, I'm going to take this gold shade right here and just tap that onto my lid using my fingers. Next, I'm going to go back in with that Morphe M504 into this like tan shade right here, and then just kind of blend that out. And so that is it for shadow. I've told you guys, keep it real simple today. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my base. I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Cinnamon, and a Morphe M439. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the Age Rewind, and then I'm just going to buff that out using this NYX Beauty Sponge. To set my under eye, I'm going to be going in with a combination of the Dermablend powder in Warm Saffron and then the Morphe Banana powder in Banana. And then next, I'm going to set my whole face with the Warm Saffron powder from Dermablend. Next, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX bronzer. This is Suntan Bronze. And I'm going to apply that using a Morphe M530. Then I'm going to be going in with my Cover FX blush in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to apply that using a Morphe M405. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And then I'm just going to stamp that in a little bit using my Beauty Blender. Next, we're going to do my brows. I'm just going to comb them using this little spoolie. This is the Morphe M115. And I always just like to comb my eyebrows before I do them, especially now that they haven't been waxed or threaded in what, almost 2 months. It's kind of like, yeah, gotta groom those suckers a little bit. And then I'm going to use my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown with a angled brush. This is the Morphe M165. And I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. And then I'm going to go in with some Essence Clear Brow Gel, just to keep them in place. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be skipping the black and do a brown liner instead. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Brown. And then I'm going to finish up by using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Alright guys, and then for lips, I'm just going to go in with my classic, the Fenty Gloss Bomb, just to kind of bring this whole summertime neutral makeup look together. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and change and do something with my hair, and then I will be right back. So as I was doing my hair and getting dressed, I realized that I didn't put any highlighter on, and I was like, how are you gonna do a summertime makeup look with no highlighter? So I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease blush and highlighter palette, and I'm taking the shade Olympia, which is this really pretty gold. I'm using a Morphe M510 to apply that to, you know, where you apply highlighters. Alright guys, so now that we have some highlighter on, the look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future content from me, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you think of this look here. That is all. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.